Welcome our art friend. Today in Kiddy Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw a cute parrot. So grab your art supplies and let's start drawing. We'll start by drawing the beak. Its left side is curved and the right side is pointed and directed downward. Draw a half circle attached to its bottom. Draw two half circles attached to each other and to the beak to make the part around the eye. Then draw a couple of small lines, followed by an upside-down new letter for the eye. Inside, draw the iris and the pupil, leaving small spots to show light reflections. Draw the top of the head with some hairs on top. Draw a couple of small curved lines for some texture in the face and the neck. Draw the wing under the eye part. It has some feathers that have pointy ends. Make another layer of feathers, partially hidden behind the first layer. Then a third layer with longer feathers that have more rounded ends. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Connect the neck to the wing to make the back. Draw a large belly connecting the beak and the other side of the wing. Then start drawing the parrot's skinny legs. Draw a line coming down from the belly and one toe attached to it. Then another line with another toe. Connect the two toes with the third one in the middle. Repeat the same step to make the other leg. To draw the second wing, draw a wavy line coming out from the side and connect it to the side again with a rounded zigzag to make the feathers. To decorate the second wing, draw another wavy line inside the wing. Then make 2 round zigzags under it for more layers of feathers. Draw long feathers coming out from behind the first wing to make the tail. Spread your wings and fly! Now you can draw a cartoon parrot. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of your drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.